Are you agitated by crumbling roads and streets? Frustrated by congested local roads? The condition of our roads affects all of us in Effingham County, and we have a dire need for stable funding for road repairs and improvements. This November, you can do something about it. A TSPLOST, or Transportation Special Purpose Local Option Sales Tax, is a 1% sales tax which must be approved by the voters and can only be used for transportation within Effingham County. The county is expected to add 20,000 new residents by the year 2030. Meanwhile, many of our busiest roads are old and need fixing or require improvements to handle the growing traffic. TSPLOST will raise up to $45 million over 5 years for road improvements already identified as necessary in Effingham County. Further, up to 35% of TSPLOST funds will come from tax on natural gas sales to utilities located here, generating power for households in and outside the county. Money for transportation projects normally comes mainly from local property taxes. TSPLOST funds will reduce the burden on homeowners for transportation needs now and in the future. The Effingham County Chamber of Commerce supports the TSPLOST and encourages you to vote yes on November 3rd. To find out more, visit effinghamcounty.com/TSPLOST.